Questo non è fatto per tenerla così, si è subito slassato, scusa.
Yeah, it's working. What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Today, actually, yeah, this is my second vlog. Ooh, wow, we're going through this. I never thought that, actually. So yes, today we're gonna talk about my excursion to the Lake Lake Sorapis, that was it. Which was definitely quite incredibly insane. It was super amazing. So basically on Saturday I went to pick up my cousin. Hey guys, what's up? So I just arrived at my cousin's place. I'm just gonna pick him up and then we're going to the Dolomites actually. Ciao scemo!
I gotta think of that.
Which we would talk about a few days before going to do this excursion, night excursion actually. So we're super hyped, so I just picked him up and we went to Lake Sorapis, which is actually the trail starts in Passo Tra Croci, it's close to Cortina. So what about that night? Insane, insane. At the first second we step outside the car, boom, an incredible sky full of stars, no clouds, the moon was just like, you could see just a bit of the moon, so it was the perfect night to shoot the Milky Way, which in fact you could see with naked eye. Okay, so wow. Just arrived at the Lake Sorapis. I mean, you cannot see, but the sky is insane. You can see the Milky Way with your eye. It's insane. Now I'm gonna get my gear. To go to shoot something. Okay, this is the result of the photo. No, it's definitely insane. Wow. So it was insane. I was so happy. I mean, it's been so long that I didn't see the Milky Way. The first time, actually, which is also the last one, I saw the Milky Way in the Death Valley in California, yes, about southwest USA. And it was insane at that time, which was also super hot actually, and that valley was like 40 degrees. I mean, I had like my contact lens and it was like melting while I was shooting, so it was quite hard. But anyway, that night at the Lake Sorapis was insane. So we're right there, and then we start on the trail, which actually the trail was, it wasn't the 215, which is actually most of the people do. It was the 217 this time, which is actually quite different. But actually, I mean, it's not quite different because sincerely, I never done the other one, the 215, which brings me actually that this time at the Lake Sorapis was also my first time going there, and I did it during night. So me and my cousin, we put the small lamps on our head, and we went to do the trails, which actually the first 30 minutes is like flat, almost going down, and then you have 1 hour and a half just up and up. So we start around midnight and we reached the top of the lake around 2 a.m. 30, maybe we did some poses, so something like around that. And so I stayed there for 1 hour and a half, was shooting. Well, actually my cousin took like a nap for an hour, then he woke up, he shoot also with me, and then we took another nap for like 50 minutes until the sunrise came out. So it was wow, and the sunrise was on fire. Hello guys, so I'm gonna speak slow because Max is still sleeping. So it's 5 a.m. in the morning, and as you can see behind me, this is one of the most spectacular places I've ever been. Look. So right now, I'm just gonna take a few shots around. I just sleep for 1 hour. I'm super tired, but it's so amazing. And so yeah, I'm gonna shoot around, and hopefully I'm gonna take good shots. I mean, look here. insane. It's insane. I'm so in love with this place. It was really the perfect day actually, because since we started until we started to go down, the sky was clear, and until in fact the moment that we were going down, which became super cloudy. And so I mean, I couldn't be more happy than that. And also I couldn't be more happy than that because it was the time that I could try it out, my new camera, which is, let me grab it, the LUMIX S1. The LUMIX S1, which is my new camera, and I'm super happy. This camera is a beast. I mean, seriously, it was one of the probably best deals that I ever had, and I'm so happy that I took it because, well, it was just insane. Okay, oh wait, let me grab also the lens. Voila, 24-105 f4, yes. This camera is insane. It records, I mean, as I love doing videos, as you know, this camera records 1080, 180 frames per second, and also 4K in 60 frames per second. Full frame, 24 megapixel, quite nice low light actually. And so yeah, I had the time to try it out for the first time, and blah blah blah. One day, hopefully soon, I'm gonna do like a review between the S1, the Olympus EM1 Mark II, and actually the Sony A7S II, which is actually supplied by Irina. Thank you so much, Irina, my friends, which is waiting me in Paris. Follow her. And so yeah, I try out. The picture was insane. Videos, which actually after I'm gonna show you, just like a small videos, like a really petite one. So yeah, incredible. Amazing night. We had a lot of fun. We slept under the stars on our pillow bag. We didn't even bring the tent, so it was quite wild. So going back to the lake, guys, go visit. It's insane. It's a gem. It's wonderful. The color, woo! But please be respectful. Be respectful as all the other places you're going to visit the Dolomites, but not only the Dolomites, anywhere in the world. Be respectful of the place, and don't try to ruin it, okay? Like what happened last week, the Lake Sorapis. Not a quite nice new to see, you know. So yeah, go visit. And I'm also want to add again, I'm super happy to start using the LUMIX S1. This guy, and which as I told you, hopefully soon I'm gonna do another review. I'm gonna do my probably first review. And yeah, guys, I'm super happy. This is on my vlog too. Yes. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, please put a like below. You know what to do, and subscribe to my channel. You know, just to support. Support. You know, support. You know, support.